family, this is Unity and this is a Unity moment. I wanted to show y'all what I found on eBay. I said I'm gonna do a video every day of August. Okay, I found this on eBay. Do y'all see this? Y'all see how dope this is? And then look, y'all ain't seen nothing yet. Now watch it go all the way up. Y'all see that? Look at the features. Indigenous. But this kind of look like Olmec. It look Olmecish. Look at the nose. It also look like Asiatic, which is black. Let me show y'all how the back look. Look at this. Whoever done the detailing on here, there's like no artist name on it. So if y'all know, I felt like I got it from I bought it from like it was used. And it smelled it old when it came here. So I cleaned it with this stuff right here. It's really good. I put it in the description box. If y'all have a lot of wood stuff, this will, you know, because when you have wood stuff, you have to put moisture to it. If I'm saying that right. Or it'll crack like this. Like right there, it cracked. Matter of fact, it's time for me to do it again. But this is gorgeous. I need to draw this face. Also, I'm gonna show you another statue that I got. I collect a lot of African art. Y'all excuse up here, there's all kind of stuff up here on this. But I found this and I think it comes from Kenya. It's time for me to cleanse them again. I found these on eBay. eBay have like some really, a lot of these are old. I just got them sitting over here because I was gonna clean them. It's time to dust them and clean them. Then I found this piece, and I had it for a while. I found it at Per One, and I heard they're going out of business. Per One always had good quality stuff, but I always had cultured type. I like Per One and World Market. Yeah, so let me show y'all this other piece that this brother gave me as a gift. I got excuse all the little stuff on the counter. But yeah, she is dope, and she's from Nigeria. I'm gonna paint some eggs and put some eggs up here. So I just wanted to share that with y'all. I'm gonna show y'all more of the little statues and stuff I got. Once I finish my front room, I'm gonna show y'all. But I just wanted to share this dope statue. How dope is that? Oh yeah, y'all, this right here is some Ethiopian hair foods I got. This gonna be on my Black Business Spotlight haul. I got some dried roses I done had like for 2 years. They was yellow roses my mom gave me, so I incorporate a lot of that stuff in art. Yeah, and I got some flowers here that my son gave me, my oldest son, for Mother's Day just passed. And I'm gonna incorporate them in art too. So I collect a lot of interesting things. I don't want to show y'all too much back there because some people might get really crazy because y'all be like, you know, Unity be doing some weird shit. But I got all kind of little interesting stuff behind there that I pick up off the ground when they just come to me and I just pick them up. But yeah, this is gorgeous. And if anybody know, I know it's indigenous, but it is so dope. So dope. Look right here. Look at the hair. Look at the, y'all see the detailing? She got hips and stuff. Look at the detailing. Wow. All right, family. I just wanted to show y'all. And it wasn't even that much. It was like $50. Like you could just tell somebody was trying to get rid of it. Because when I got it, it kind of had like that mildew type smell. Like, you know, like they just had it sitting somewhere and you could tell it wasn't being taken care of. I want to show y'all. I found this in the day my best friend died. I had to get out the house. And where I went at? I just had to get out the house because I'm always home. Even before the corona. I'm just a homebody in my older years. And I walked in Ross. I found this. It was living because Ross was like, they didn't have nothing in there. I went in there looking for a chair because I'm redoing my work area. And they didn't have no type of chair because I've been on the floor for a long time. So it's time for me to rise up higher. And I couldn't find nothing. And I was going to make one, but it didn't work out. So this was sitting there waiting for me. And it is so fly. Look at this, y'all. Look at it and look how much I paid for it. Look how much I paid for it. $12.99. But yeah, so I'm gonna do some detailing work. I'm gonna put like some red ruby eyes right there. I'm gonna paint it like the little Egyptian colors. This is so fly. So I don't know if y'all know that in ancient Kemet, like a lot of the kings and queens, they would have the cobra on their crown, and it's for signs of protection. Yes, I found this. I was so happy to find this to keep evil energy away, you know. But it's many things to keep evil energy away. I don't think you guys just say it. Be as it is. I'm a goddess. I could say that, and then they get the hell away. All right, family. Salam, salam.